Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your PlayStation 4 if you do not have the controller. This is actually really easy to do. Now, since we don't have the controller, we can go to the physical power button on our PlayStation 4 and hold it down. So I have the original model of the PlayStation, which is like a touch one, but if you go to the physical power button and you hold this down, you will hear one beep initially, and then about 10 to 15 seconds later, you'll hear another beep, and that's an indication that your PlayStation 4 is completely turning off. And this will bypass rest mode, so there won't be an orange light on here and you won't be able to download your DLC or anything like that. If you want to enter rest mode, just press the power button once and don't hold it down. It will go into rest mode. If you hold it down for 15 seconds, it will completely turn off. So you'll notice that there is no light on the top here now, that my PlayStation 4 is completely turned off. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.